Good morning, everyone. I'm going to show you how to edit in some sound effects using iMovie with the example of our Pac-Man stop motion that we made in class from one of our level 2s last week. I added a title slide and a freeze frame so that it would have a title scene here, but otherwise there's no sound. So here it plays without the sound, and then it moves. Set it back to the beginning, and then I'll start adding music. So I downloaded the sound effects and then had them in the music app. So if it's in your music app, you're gonna be able to find it when you're editing your film. So I'm gonna drag the beginning sound over the title slide. Now it sounds like this. Right, so there's the beginning. Now I want to add the chomp sounds once it starts chomping. So the chomp goes there. The chomp sound I downloaded is really short, so I have to add some copy and paste to the end here. I don't want it to go all the way to the end because I have a final sound it makes for when it eats the fruit. And I'm just clicking and dragging everything here. Now let's see what it sounds like.